Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. And as you saw so far today, this is a video on my birds again. So here we are. It's a beautiful day out right now, and yeah. So I was super bored, so I just decided to make a little video. So, and this is the only video I can really make, so. You might hear some motorcycles in the background. My dad is going somewhere, but my mom is here, so you might not be able to see in here. Alright, so this is our feeder. You just lift up this and then like that. Our chicken box is over there. You have a chicken laying right now, but it's okay. And if you didn't hear anything I just said, and I'm sorry, but because of that loud chicken. But I said we have a chicken laying, and it was the other chicken over there. So I'm not gonna be talking for the rest of the time. I'll just be showing, unless I need to say something. This is the duck that was taking the bath right here in the beginning of the video. So there she is. Very pretty duck. She's the mother of like almost all the ducks out here. These are our silkies. And let me bring you over here. This guy here is the dad of these guys right here. There's like these are the ones that I did the 3-day-old chickens, and and these are both the mothers because they both laid the eggs. Like they each laid a couple, like 4 eggs. And we only have like 5 chickens. Here, let me help you there. There you go, babe. This chicken's giving me the death stare. Just look at that face. Boom. I'm sorry about my mega zoom. It's like I can't choose which zoom I want. Well, I can, but it just takes forever. These are chickens taking a dirt bath. And let's go in here. I know this is a longer video than I usually make, but it doesn't hurt to make it a little longer. So here we are in the coop. This is Leslie. This is chicken. Ow. Sorry about me not talking. I just got like stabbed in the head by this little thing here. It just got done snowing, so like it put all the pressure down on here, and now it's all under and stuff. So hey, get off. This is a baby, not of that one, but these are Spangled Hamburgs. This is a something, and I totally forgot, and that's a Moran. They lay really good. They lay really good eggs. They're worth $6 a dozen. we sell these eggs, but not many people are buying, so yeah. Alright, let's go back over to the ducks. Well, actually, I'm gonna end it in a second. I just need to tell you something about one of my chickens. I might have already told you it. It's the chicken that lays in this box here. And where is she? Where is she? Krista! 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 I have a feeling she's over here. Alright, well, I'll tell you in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye.